Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing a live wallpaper that supports dynamic states and an automation app. Grant overlay and motion permissions now so the wallpaper can update without tap input. Once done, create a new automation profile that will run a wallpaper change action. Pick a simple trigger like time interval or incoming media play. Make sure the wallpaper pack is selectable by the automation tool. This initial setup lets you control when and how the wallpaper animates without touching your device. Now you configure the automation. Choose a trigger every 15 minutes when headphones connect or when motion is detected, and chain actions. Set the live wallpaper, start a named animation, or toggle a particle layer. Use conditional logic, only run on battery 30% or when screen is off to save power. Once set, add delays and repeat counts so the sequence cycles smoothly. Test with short intervals to observe timing and tweak animation names or layer ID until the motion appears seamless without any touch. Finish by optimizing performance and locking the automation to conditions that make sense for you. Reduce frame rate in the wallpaper settings, disable heavy shaders, and set the profile to run only when charging or on trusted Wi-Fi. Make sure tasker or shortcuts is excluded from battery optimization so background triggers run reliably. If things go wrong, the single most useful troubleshooting step is to verify permissions and background restrictions. Re-enable overlay and accessibility, then retest the trigger to confirm the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.